What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota RAV4 remote key fob. This Toyota key fob is going to be for the RAV4s that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and hold the fob with the buttons facing down. Then if we take a look down here near the key ring, you can see there's a little bit of a notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. It's a little bit hard to see with the shadow in there. But what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that notch like this, and then just pry up on that back cover like that. Get that back cover off, and then we see there's another little orange cover right here, a rubber one. And it has kind of this thing in the middle that you can just get your fingers on like that and pull off of there. Now we see our battery right here. And in this battery holder, there's a little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key, or the end of the screwdriver rather. You can see that little notch right there. That'll allow you to get your screwdriver under the battery and pop it out of that battery holder. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up, and that'll just pop down into that holder. And then we'll put our rubber piece back on. Make sure that's all the way pushed in, and then we'll snap this back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.